Yes, sir. All right, guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. The wind is absolutely ripping out here. We are way out west, about to make ourselves a public land duck hunt. We're 1,000+ miles from home, and we think we're gonna smack them this morning. It's gonna be me, Jamie. We're waiting on our buddy Saint to meet up with us. Yesterday, me and Jamie came over here and found a pile of mallards. I mean, it is slap full. So we're here super early. And thank God there's nobody else here. We beat everybody to the spot. We're about to hike in and build ourselves a big blind, put out about 4.5 dozen decoys. So y'all stay tuned. This should be a really good hunt. And yeah, let's get it done. The mallard killer himself, what'd you say?
Got good wind, got a bunch of birds. Should be able to kill them.
Well, you looking fresh in that vest.
I was like a dirt track driver. I had that Tundra sideways, man.
Electric truck gang, baby.
At least it ain't that cold either. Oh, it really ain't. Just
No, it's just the wind's making it cold.
Yeah.
It's gonna drop down. Y'all good?
Yeah, it's better right here. You just gotta pick where you walk across.
Did you get water in yours?
No, I almost did.
Well, we made it across the deep Beaver Creek.
Yeah, barely.
You all right, Jamie?
Yeah.
What would you say? We're like halfway?
No.
Not even halfway?
No.
Oh. Taking the intercoastal all the way down. All right, the blind is built. We've been brushing this thing for about 2 hours, and we plucked just about all the sage grass out here. But
Big Joe and the boys showed up.
we got some fellow public land hunters that decided that it'd be a good idea to start walking in 30 minutes before shooting light.
And set up 100 yards.
Set up 100 yards from us, but hey, what can you do? It's public.
Yeah.
I do think we had the best spot, and this is where most of the birds were yesterday. So we got like 20 minutes till shooting light. About to load the guns and get some hand warmers out because it's chilly. Let's get it done. Hey, bro, tag teaming.
Alternate them. Frostbite on there too. Drake, 2 drinks up front. Kill him.
Nice.
Come on, give me a gun for sure.
Nice shot.
One, 2, 34. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yep.
That's it. Yeah, you get them waiting a little bit.
All right, well, we had a great hunt, to say the least, this morning. We got 15 big, beautiful, corn-fed mallards here in the Midwest. We are 1,000+ miles from home. It was worth the trip. And yeah, try to do the same thing in the morning.
We're gonna do it tomorrow.
Yep. All right, good morning, guys. It's day 2 here in the Midwest. I'm public land duck hunting. It's about 22 degrees. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. The guys are up ahead. We're almost to our spot. Let's start getting set up. All right, here's our blind we'll be hunting this morning. That Saint built with his bare hands. Took him months. So where we're set up at, we've got a pretty good current. It's moving the decoys really well. Look at that. That's gonna look really, very realistic this morning.
You can come over the back and kill him, I think. You see him?
Nope.
Bam. Cut a feather. Alright, we woke everything up though.
Yeah, let's go, baby. Oh, right here. Nice, Jamie. Did you see where he went?
Don't shoot that again.
What's this right out front?
Kill him.
Woo!
Oh shit. shooting that one.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, sir. Let's go, man. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Man, that was fun.
Kill him.
Damn, I don't know how he didn't crunch.
Oh, they both. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, it's been a little slow this morning, but we have shot some Canadian geese and we just shot 2 more mallards. Not bad. See if we can't pick a few more out.
Kill him.
One right here.
Kill.
Huh?
Did 2 fall or 1?
Damn, that's it.
How many fell?
I see one right there.
I know, but I thought 2 fell.
I thought 2 did too.
Maybe there's one on that island.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. We got 6 big honkers and what's that, 4
4 greenhead.
4 greenheads. A little slow, but
Yeah, a little
still
slower than
fun.
we'd like, but we got a time crunch. We got to get out of here, so it works for me.
yep.
Yeah.
Hope y'all enjoyed it, and see y'all in the next one.